Bought yourself some Raptor 1K Pro Enamel Diamond Clear. Let's show you how to use it. You'll need the 1K Pro Enamel Diamond Clear. You're going to need some degreaser, some P800 to 1000 grit sandpaper if you're coating an already painted surface, and a couple of rags. Make sure you're geared up with some protective equipment and spraying in a well ventilated area. Raptor's 1K Pro Enamel Diamond Clear is compatible with the rest of the 1K Pro range, so for this example we're going to paint some mirrors that have been coated in the 1K touch-up paint. Make sure you shake the can for 2 minutes before you start, and spray the can at 15 to 25 centimeters from the surface. Apply 1 to 2 light coats, allowing 5 to 10 minutes flash off time in between coats. At about 20 degrees Celsius, it should be fully dry in about an hour, depending on your film build. If you want to apply another coat, you can recoat within 4 hours without sanding, but after 4 hours, you need to lightly sand it with P1000 grit and clean it before additional coats. Once finished, turn the can upside down and spray it until it runs clear, and chuck it back on the shelf for next time. To learn about the rest of the range and how to use them, the videos are accessible under their products section, as well as our technical and safety data sheets at raptorcoatings.com.au.